Do you want to find out how you can make money listening to music? Then you are in the right place. Today I will show you how you can get paid from 30 cents to $1.10 per minute. I am sure that this idea of making money will excite you. You will be paid weekly, sent via PayPal. Average earnings per month is $245, and top monthly earnings is $1,495. Before we start, I want to ask you to do a financial exercise. I ask each of you to calculate what your monthly expenses are, how much you pay for your house, how much you pay for communal services, for the car and others. Add all these expenses to find out how much money you need monthly to cover all expenses. After doing this calculation, please write in the comment the region where you live and how much money you need per month to cover all expenses. I will read your comments to see what is the average amount you need monthly. Based on this statistic, I will look for the best way to make money online through which you can get the amount you want. So now pause the video and write the comment. Now, after you have written in the comments the amounts you need, those of you who are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and immediately press the bell, because the next method of making money that I will talk about will be based on your financial needs. Now I want to thank you very much to those who always support this channel with likes, because this is very important for me and I appreciate your support. Start working from home in 3 easy steps. Sign up and get approved to transcribe. Take a quiz and submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastery of the English language and Rev styling rules. If you're approved, you can start working right away. Choose from available transcription jobs. You'll find hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from. Select jobs you're interested in and work as little or as much as you prefer. Get paid weekly via PayPal. As a transcriptionist, you'll get paid every Monday for all audio files transcribed and completed the prior week. Benefits of working with Reverend: decide what you want to work on. Pick from a variety of lectures, interviews, podcasts and more to transcribe. Get paid weekly. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Reverend is on time and dependable. Choose your own schedule. Work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. I have a few more pleasant surprises for you. The first would be that, in addition to transcriptionist, there is also a vacancy as captioner. About transcriptionist. Listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, label speakers, range of pay, $0 to $30, $1.10 per audio and video minute. And captioner. Watch video, accurately type what is being said, creatively convey sounds, sync typed audio with video. Range of pay, $0 to $54, $1.10 per audio and video minute. On any given day, there are hundreds of projects for Revers to preview, claim, and complete for extra income. And there's no limit to the number of projects you can claim. Reverend customers submit millions of minutes of audio-video to be transcribed and captioned each month. This is information that I think you will enjoy. Towards the end of the video I want to tell you about a way to make money on this platform. Through this method you will be paid more. For 1 minute of audio you will be paid from $1.50 to $3. Translate subtitles with Reverend: work when you want, wherever you want. Get paid weekly. And average earnings per month is $958. How to start earning money with Rev? Apply online. You'll be asked to submit an English writing sample in your subtitling resume. Choose your work. We have many video files in need of subtitling. You'll be converting spoken English into the requested language. Get paid via PayPal. Reverend pays out every Monday through PayPal. You choose how much you want to make each week. Here you see minimum pay rate per minute depending on the region. You can find the link to this site to make money online in the description. Also in the description I will attach some links to other ideas for making money online. I am sure that on this channel you will find an idea that resonates with you. Thank you for watching this video until the end and for liking this video. I'm glad to see that my work is appreciated. See you in the next videos.